Today, we're making a mini bonnet for this cute little guy. This is a beginner-friendly, no-sew crochet pattern. It's super simple and easy. All you need to know are single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet stitches. Alright, let's get started. For this project, you'll need about 50 grams of worsted weight yarn, a 4mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and some stitch markers. First, make a slip knot. Bring the yarn tail from the front of your finger to the back, then bring it to the front again to create a cross. Grab the yarn from the bottom and pull up a loop. Insert the hook to the loop and tighten the knot. Chain 8. Make one single crochet in the back bump. Insert the hook. Pull up a loop. Yarn over. Pull through 2 loops. Do 6 more. Now, we have 7 single crochets. Chain 1 and turn. Work single crochet in the back loop only. Insert the hook. Pull up a loop. Yarn over. Pull through 2 loops. Do 6 more. Repeat the same for 5 more rows. And that completes the top of the bonnet. For the body, we need to make 7 single crochets on each of these 3 sides. Chain 1. Insert the hook into the side of the stitch and make 7 single crochet along this side. When you reach the corner, make another 7 single crochets. Carry the yarn with you. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a like. Then, continue with 7 more single crochets along the next side. Now we complete the first row of the body. Chain 3. Turn your work. Work 1 double crochet in the next 5 stitches. Make 2 double crochet in the next stitch. One double crochet in the next 7 stitches. Two double crochet in the next stitch. Work 1 double crochet in the next 6 stitches. Chain 3, turn your work. Work 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 3. Skip the next 3 stitches. And continue making 1 double crochet in the next 13 stitches. Chain 3. Skip the next 3 stitches. Make 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Chain 3, turn your work. Skip the first stitch, work 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Work 3 double crochet to the chain 3 space. Work 1 double crochet into each stitch across this row until you reach the chain 3 space. Insert the hook into the chain 3 space and work 3 double crochet. One double crochet in the next 2 stitch. Chain 3, turn your work. Work 1 double crochet into each stitch across this row. Chain 3, make 30 double crochets across this row. Insert the hook into the side of each double crochet. Make 2 double crochets for the side of each double crochet. Chain 37. Skip the first 2 stitches, insert the hook into the 3rd space, and make a half double crochet. Then, make 1 half double crochet into the next 35 stitches. Continue making half double crochets into the same row, but work them into the front loop only. After you reach the corner, chain 37 again. Skip the first 2 stitches and make 1 half double crochet into each stitch across the row. Make a slip stitch into the bottom edge and connect the string to the body. And that's it! Your mini bonnet is complete! I hope you had fun making this with me. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.